I love my unboxing videos. So this video, we're going to show you my latest products from Young Living. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Shirley with Holistic Transformations Massage, also known as Jolly, with Jolly's Healing Touch. This is a channel where we talk about health, holistic healing. Hey y'all, I'm super excited to show you my products for my Young Living order for the last month. So let's just get right into it. Okay. I don't know if this is a good angle, but this is where I'm taking it from. So we have my Thieves cough drops. My Thieves cough drops. So you see I've already opened this. I couldn't, sorry. I just couldn't. This box was sitting here and I got these. I had to get one. So the taste of these, and I'll be able to describe this because this is the only product that I was able to open. But it's very mentally and also very crisp and very clean, but also warm. So it's very warming. So I really, it's one of my favorite cough drops. It's all natural. It's a menthol and it's also an oral anesthetic. So it helps get rid of a little bit of that sore throat that we feel. So you feel that sore throat coming on. This is a great cough suppressant. Check it out. This is a Thieves cough drops. Okay, so I'm gonna try one of these little cough drops on here just so I can describe them a little bit better for you. So they come in these little wraps, and I love that these bags are resealable, right? So my husband came in the room and he was like a little coughing. I popped. I was like, here, take one of these right away, and no more coughs, right? So I think the essential oils really also help with like the menthol, and the different essential oils also help with boosting the immune system, and they have different and wonderful natural qualities. So just to taste this and to give you a description. So it has a really nice, pleasant taste. It's not too sweet, it's nice. And it's very mentally, so I'm already feeling it in my throat and in my tongue. It's really nice. So yeah, the menthol right away. Already, I can feel my sinuses opening up. I already could take a nice deep breath. The eucalyptus I feel already in my throat, and will feel later down in my chest already in just a few seconds. So you gotta check it out. So my next product. Okay, so I know I did an unboxing for the Thieves Cleaner that came with the box and the bucket and some essential oils and all that. And I will link the video right here. Also, so I was running out, and this was way back. Gosh, when did I do this video? I think I did the video in April or something like that. And I still have a little bit, but because I didn't want to run out, I ordered. So I only use like a capful at a time. And so a capful of this product with 30 capsules of water is a great cleaner for around the house. If I want to mop the floor, I add a little bit more water, and it's just really great cleaner. I don't have to worry. I just clean my son's table. He can drop something on there and eat it, and I know it's been cleaned with a natural product, not some chemical that can harm him, right? Not some toxic chemical. Also, I know it's disinfected because these natural products kill all kinds of germs, and so we can talk a little bit more about that going on. So let's keep going.
Oh, my child, I see you faint, lost in gazing at horizons, and in moments forgot the sun would rise again.
All right. Ooh. So, I'm all about the Young Living essential oils. However, Young Living has all kinds of body products. They have toothpaste, shower gel, dental floss, deodorant, face products, makeup. I mean, you name it. Young Living really has answered, and there's so much more that I'm not naming yet. Yeah, so we can get more into that, but. Instead of going to Target and getting something that has chemicals, or I have to sit there and read the labels, and only one product I've been able to use, which is the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. But Young Living also has these products, these bath gels. Now this one is a bath and shower gel, so it's just plain, so I could use any essential oil that I want, but they have all kinds of scents. So I started with the Sensation. And the Sensation one is the one that I'm using now. It's very, it has ylang ylang, lavender. It's very floral. It's very, I feel really vibrant after I use it. So it's a really nice one. And I like this because I can add lavender or peppermint or whatever, eucalyptus, you know, whatever essential oil I would like to use with my bath gel. I'm so excited that I can add that to it. So this is just a plain gel base, right? All Young Living oils or products are natural and cruelty-free. Oh, I love that. So they're not tested on animals, you know? I really love the principles of Young Living. So going on, I have a lot of things to show you. We have our Morning Start. So this is another one of those that I was telling you about. This is the bath gel, and this is the Morning Start. Let me see if I can read the ingredients. I don't have my glasses, but I think I can do. It has rosemary, juniper, peppermint. Oh, I'm excited about that. So this is nice Morning Start. Like I was saying, yeah, here's my toothpaste. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? The light's like shining on it. Anyway, I'll put pictures more so you can see it. But this is my Thieves toothpaste. It has no fluoride, all natural. Yeah, it has cloves, which is really great for killing bacteria and all of that. So I'm so excited. You know, and I'm gonna tell you, the reason why I'm super excited is that I'm like kind of shopping from my own business. I get points, you know, every month. The more I shop, the more points that I get that I can purchase other products with. Then I get a certain percentage. So my husband signed up under me so he can order for the family and for the house, and that's completely legal with Young Living. And so I get 8% of all of his orders. I mean, how awesome is that? That's commission. And then everybody that we sign up under him, you know, I'll get commission on that. I'll get 8% commission on all of their orders. So that is just super, super excited. Their orders. All right, so moving on. I love this product. So I saw that this is a fruit and veggie wash. You know, I buy a lot of fruits and vegetables and I wash them a lot, but I don't know how much I'm missing. Yeah. So especially if we want to go raw, more raw. So I'm excited about using this product. So I'm supposed to just soak my vegetables, my tomatoes, anything that I eat with the skin for a little bit, wash, and then let dry. So I'm excited about this. This is the Thieves Fruit and Veggie Soak.
Oh, my child, I see you faint.
One more thing I think here. This is the foaming hand soap refill. So, you know, we're washing our hands a lot. We're washing our hands a lot. And so I have the Thieves soap in the house, and it's great. I have it in all of our bathrooms. I have it in the kitchen. I have it everywhere there's a sink, and just a few pumps and it foams. It's great, but I don't want to keep buying the bottle, right? So instead I buy one big bottle to refill all my small bottles. Just to be a little bit more economical, instead of wasting little bottles, I'll just recycle this one. So I think that's great. So I'm excited about receiving this. Yeah. And of course, I could not forget my Citrus Fresh. So I have to get my Citrus Fresh every week. You see my Citrus Fresh. Super excited about that. So what do I love about Citrus Fresh? You guys, I talk about Citrus Fresh a lot. So I use it a lot. I put it in my diffuser almost daily. Use definitely in the bathroom or wherever my dog hangs out a lot to freshen the house. Every time I clean, I put a few drops in the solution. Even though I'm using my Thieves Cleaner, yeah, I always like to use a little bit more Citrus Fresh, just depending whenever I'm cleaning, just for that scent. Definitely though, daily, I put in that diffuser and put it on, especially if we have some visitors coming or anything, somebody's coughing, I do that right away. Also for mosquitoes, I place it in the diffuser and I feel like it really helps with repelling mosquitoes. So check out our Citrus Fresh.
Lost in gazing at horizons, and in moments forgot.
All right, that's a lot. So that's it this month. So I'm at the point now that 20% of everything I order comes back to me in commission. How cool is that? And in points. So if you want to know more about the Young Living business, please comment, make a comment below and we'll let you know more. Also, in the description box below, I'll have more information about these products that I order and more information about Young Living. So thank you for joining me for another unboxing. I have so much fun with these unboxing. I have a couple more unboxings coming up very soon, so check them out and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for spending some time with me today. See you in the next video. Bye.
Betrayed your truth for acceptance. You've known all the sorrow there is to know. Take my hand and know this sound. Buildings will stand and then they'll fall. But how have we loved?